Edge Mask is a popular Android application designed to enhance the visual appeal of your mobile device by adding unique edge effects to notifications and app icons. With this app, users can create stunning edge lighting effects that will make their devices stand out. It offers a variety of customization options, allowing users to choose different colors, shapes, and styles for the edge effects, creating a personalized aesthetic that reflects their individual taste. Additionally, Edge Mask provides options to adjust the thickness and transparency of the edges, giving users control over how prominent they want the effects to be. The app also supports notification management, enabling users to select which notifications should be highlighted with edge effects, ensuring that important alerts grab attention. Overall, Edge Mask is not just a visual enhancement tool. It adds a layer of functionality and customization that enhances the overall user experience, making Android devices more stylish and tailored to individual preferences.